everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is MagLearn. In the previous videos we had discussed various social issues, and also we had discussed the World Environment Day and also World No Tobacco Day. But today my topic of discussion is again centered around the syllabus of accountancy, and my topic today is not-for-profit organization, and we have an item that is subscription that we will be discussing today. But before we move on, I would like to tell you regarding not-for-profit organization that we had already discussed this topic in the previous videos also. What is a not-for-profit organization? As we know that not-for-profit organizations are those organizations which are created in order to provide service to the society, service to the people, and by the name itself we can guess that these organizations are run in order to serve the society and not to earn profit. So in the previous videos I had discussed that format of income and expenditure account, and today I would like to discuss the item that is subscription, which appears in the income and expenditure account. Now this income and expenditures in the income and expenditure account, the first item, if you have seen the format of income and expenditure account in the income and expenditure account in my videos, you can see that in the income side the first item which appears is subscription. Subscription. Now what is this subscription? You see that every organization has certain sources of expenditure and certain sources of income. So likewise, a not-for-profit organization has also certain sources of income and also has its expenditure. But as you can see that subscription serves as a source of income for the not-for-profit organization. Now what is this subscription? Subscription is generally a type of membership fee which is collected by the members on annual basis. It is a membership fee which is paid by the members on annual basis, and it is generally of recurring nature. Now how to calculate subscription which is to be recorded in the income and expenditure account? As we know, in the income and expenditure account only the income and expenditure relating to the current year will be recorded. So only relating to the current year will be recorded. So as you can see that how to calculate subscription, because in the income and expenditure account there may be certain adjustments also which you need to take into consideration regarding subscription. So as you can see, I had given you one rule or one formula type here which you can follow. Total subscription received during the year. Whatever subscription is received during the year, first you have to record it, and then you have to add outstanding subscription of the current year. So if there is any outstanding subscription of the current year which is mentioned in the, generally it is given in the adjustments, so you have to add it, and then we have to deduct or minus less outstanding subscription of the previous year. If there is any outstanding subscription of the previous year, that also has to be deducted, that has to be minus subtracted. Then again less subscription received in advance during the current year. So if there is any subscription which is received in advance during the current year, that has to be deducted, and then add subscription received in advance during the previous year. So if there is any subscription which is received in advance in the previous year, that also has to be added. So this is the calculation of subscription which has to be made at the time of income and expenditure account, because you see in the income and expenditure only the income and expenditure relating to the current year has to be recorded. So this calculation, these adjustments has to be done properly so that we can get the correct subscription to be recorded in the income and expenditure account. That's all for today. Thank you.